Welcome to our channel Vidyavana. In this lecture, we are going to see C++ introduction for beginners. C++ is a versatile and powerful programming language. It was developed by Jarny Stroustrup. It is object oriented, which gives clear structure, and it is fun and easy to learn. C++ is made as an extension of C language. C is called the mother of programming languages. By the help of C++, we can develop different types of secured and robust applications with high speed than the languages like Python, Java, and etc. Robust means strong. In the upcoming lecture, we will going to learn about flowcharts, which is the very basic thing in every programming languages. Thanks for watching.